Treat your rheumatoid arthritis and get your health back. According to conventional medicine, rheumatoid arthritis is an incurable autoimmune disease that causes generalized inflammation. However, there are preventative and palliative treatments that can greatly improve an affected person's quality of life. Additionally, we'll explore which natural treatments can treat rheumatoid arthritis from different points of view. What is rheumatoid arthritis? Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disease whose symptoms include pain, inflammation, stiffness, and loss function in joints, fingers, elbows, knees, etc. An autoimmune disease occurs when the body attacks itself as if it were a pathogen. It damages cells and healthy tissues which eventually affect a person's overall health. For example, it can harm the blood, heart, or nervous system. Natural cure. The following fundamental items for naturally treating rheumatoid arthritis shall be covered: elimination of toxins, nutrition, immune system, relieving inflammation, and balancing emotions. Eliminate toxins. Treating rheumatoid arthritis naturally is based on a patient having an excess amounts of toxins in the body. Therefore, detoxification is the first step to improve the cleansing function of the liver, kidneys, skin, and intestines. There are many ways to remove toxins. It all depends on what suits you best. Diet with detoxifying foods: garlic, onion, lemon, grapefruit, etc. Purifying medicinal plants: dandelion, bolto, burdock root, milk thistle, etc. Juices, soups, and detox smoothies. Food intolerance. There are more food intolerance due to poor quality foods, bad habits, and many other factors. However, it's important to always rule out the possibility of a person with rheumatoid arthritis can suffer from a food intolerance. It's not always a severe allergy. Although, it can be due to sensitivity which causes long-term illness. The most common food intolerance are those involving gluten and lactose. Although, an individual may not feel an immediate effect after eating these types of food. However, the possibility of having digestive issues like heartburn or gas may occur. The solution is to conduct relevant exams or to stop eating certain foods for a month. If your health gets worse after eating those foods again, it's probable you have a food intolerance. Immunoregulatory remedies. Since this condition is an autoimmune disease, it's important to seek remedies that balance the immune system. Therefore, taking these supplements will help you heal gradually and profoundly. omega-3 and 6 fatty acids. Antioxidants, vitamin C and E, beta-carotene, flavonoids, selenium, and zinc. Shark cartilage. Eucalyptus globulus. Astragalus root. Iceland moss. Cat's claw. Shiitake mushroom. Maitake mushroom. Reishi mushroom. Anti-inflammatory baths. Medicinal baths relieve the overall inflammation affecting the joints and various organs. If you can visit a spa, we recommend taking a dip in a sulfur springs. There is an anti-inflammatory and purifying effect that's very beneficial for rheumatoid arthritis. You can also prepare a healing bath at home with baking soda or magnesium sulfate. Likewise, taking a bath for at least half an hour will bring a great sensation of relief and well-being. Emotional problems. In natural medicine, there's always an emphasis on emotional factors that can influence, trigger, or worsen illness. Therefore, balancing your emotions can greatly improve a condition if you're predisposed to it. In regards to rheumatoid arthritis, those affected have often gone through difficult and painful experiences. Their personality is rather peaceful and friendly. Nevertheless, the conflict may originate from psychological abuse. People with this type of arthritis are unable to express their feelings and may get stuck on resentment from some past tragic event. They prefer helping others to face their own traumatic experiences.